Hi and welcome to Pebbles channel. So today we are going to talk about another new topic and it concerns our body. It is the nervous system. So if you have a look at a skeleton, a body, you will find nerves running through the entire body, and these nerves are the main organs that help our body function. So let us see what do we mean by the nervous system. The nervous system is made up of the following parts. So we see that each and every organ in our body is made up of different parts. Now talking about the nervous system is made up of the following parts. So let us see what are the different parts of the nervous system. It is the brain, the spinal cord, and the nerves. So these three parts make up the nervous system, that is your brain, the spinal cord, and the nerves that run through our body make up the nervous system. The brain, now we are going to talk about each and every part of the nervous system. First, talking about the brain, we know that the brain acts like a computer. The brain tells us what to do and how to do things. So we say that the brain acts like a computer. The spinal cord acts like a thick cable. So we all know what is a cable, that is a wire that connects different instruments. So we see that the brain acts like a computer and the spinal cord acts like a thick cable, and it is because of the presence of the spinal cord that we are able to stand erect. There are some animals that do not have a spinal cord, and we see that they go on their fours. So the spinal cord acts like a thick cable, and the nerves act like thin wires connecting all the body parts with the brain. So the nerves are like thin wires. So for example, if we take an audio system or a computer, we have a thick cable. So from the computer it connects to the power point. We also have thin wires that connect, like for example, if you take the computer, we connect the camera, or we connect the mouse, all that is connected to the computer by these thin wires. In the same way, there are thin wires called nerves in our body which connect the different parts of connects the different body parts with the brain. So this is about the nervous system. So we see that the nervous system is made up of three parts, that is the brain, the spinal cord, and the nerves. The brain acts like a computer, the spinal cord acts like a thick cable, and the nerves act like thin wires that connect the different body parts to the brain. Our whole body is covered by an interconnected network of nerves. So if you have a closer view of the nervous system, we can see that the entire body is interconnected with these nerves. So the different parts are connected in some way or the other to the brain. So our whole body is covered by an interconnected network of nerves. These can be compared to a network of roads. So they are comparing the body's nervous system to the roads. So if we go on the highways or the different roads, the different streets, you find that the different streets or the different roads are interconnected in some way or the other. The brain receives and sends messages through these nerves. So the main purpose of the main function of the nerves is to receive directions from the brain. So the brain receives and then it sends these messages through these nerves. So we see that the brain acts like a computer, the spinal cord acts like a thick cable, and the nerves act like thin wires which connect the different body parts to the brain. So we see that our body is covered by an interconnected network of nerves, and these can be compared to a network of roads. The brain receives and sends messages through these nerves. So we have a picture of the brain in front of us. So this is about the nervous system. So the nervous system is composed of three parts, that is the brain, the spinal cord and the nerves. And the brain acts as a computer, the spinal cord acts like a thick cable, and the nerves are thin wires that connect the different body parts to the brain. And the brain receives and sends messages through these nerves.